Anand Mehru. I've come up with another video. This time I'm going to give you a underground basement and lower basement video of South City Mall. South City Mall is hardly 3.1 kilometer from my home, Madhubila. So actually I've come up to see Apple Store devices. So let's see how far I can give you the glimpse of various shopping stores in lower basement. I actually reached South City Mall with the help of electric cycle. So this photo has been captured by smartwatch camera. Same smartwatch camera. So I went to Apple store wherein I saw this white color HomePod Mini. This HomePod Mini is same like Alexa, wherein you can directly interact with the artificial intelligence device HomePod Mini and do a lot of activities verbally like Alexa, Google Assistant. I have the experience of Alexa, but it is very costly. It is around I think 30,000, wherein Alexa is in the range of 5,000 to 10,000. For visual experience, it is around 8,000. Sorry. So and the person was showing the working of this HomePod Mini, and it had some glitches, and so thereafter I gradually want to know about my about myself with the help of HomePod Mini, because I have the Google, Apple account in the form of Apple devices. Hi, this is a new product I have seen in Xiaomi brand, wherein it will I think this product will do automatic floor mopping. So it will be cleaning the entire floor automatically, and it will charge automatically based on time, and its cost is around 34,999, around 35,000. Robotic vacuum cleaner by Xiaomi. So people must have used Xiaomi TV, Xiaomi watch, Xiaomi smartphone. So this is a new product launched by Xiaomi. It's absolutely robotic in nature, automatic and robotic. So cleaning the floor. So it will do vacuum cleaning only, vacuum cleaning, not water cleaning. It will do vacuum cleaning. So I think this is the little bit problem. It should do the water cleaning also, water cleaning and vacuum cleaning, whatever. Anyway, it's a very new product. I had the opportunity of using this kind of product, but it is of local brand, and it's 35,000. I had this kind of product in 2017, but it is a local product, so it was around 20,000 that time, 2017. So very nice product by a brand company. So nowadays everything is getting robotic in nature. So very nice initiative in terms of making robotic movement inside society. So stay tuned. So this is a Xiaomi camera, smart camera I guess. You can link it with Alexa also. You can link with Alexa as well as HomePod Siri or Google Assistant, whichever. So in South City Mall there is some function to be conducted by Shoppers Stop. So they have created a stage, and maybe some fashion show will be conducted. Tomorrow is Ganesh Puja, so probably just before augmentation of Puja, festival month, festival month, they must have initiated this kind of promotional activity. So stay tuned. Very appealing in nature. Our city is very appealing in nature during Puja. So let's, I think from tomorrow onwards there will be the initiation of Puja month, meaning everybody will hop around here and there for shopping, roam here and there for eating. So a lot of pre-preparation before Puja. So let's initiate, or let's start Puja preparation one day before with the help of the Shoppers Stop band, and most probably I won't be witnessing this. Just I think it's almost 7:30. So most probably after 8 o'clock it will start. Very much appealing in nature. they have created a fashion show like extended ramp or extended platform wherein I think the fashion show will happen. So probably after 8 o'clock. So I am just giving you a glimpse of South City Mall, one of the biggest mall in Calcutta. Probably second biggest mall after Quest Mall, I believe. So it's a very huge mall. The top of floor is for food, eating, ready to eat food. So very nice and very attractive in nature. This is the ground floor. Below this ground floor there are two other floors, lower basement and upper basement. So I am just coming from lower basement wherein we have seen Apple store, then Xiaomi store, then Shoppers, Spencer shopping store, and many electronics store wherein I have shown you the latest technological devices being put on display. So let's move upward and see what else are there in the newly constructed South City Mall. This is the newly constructed South City Mall. The 2017 South City Mall outlook was completely different. And when I came last time, it was there. That you can see the black on the escalators. There is a black TV screen. So those TV screens are used to glow, or it was in on condition that time. This is the newest South City Mall inaugurated in 2017. Before that it was 2000. Before 2017 it was a old version of South City. So in 2017 this entire structure, like the Mahabharata's Pandavas Mahals, this entire Pandavas Mahal was burnt by Kaurava. So the same thing happened in South City also. In pre-2017 era, it was a Pandavas Mahal. It was very advanced in nature, but somehow due to some bad electricity features, the entire South City Mall was burnt to ashes. And thereafter they took many initiatives to inaugurate the second version of South City Mall. So you can understand the Pandavas' first Mahal was so much technologically advanced, and when it was destroyed, the second version was not that much attractive in nature. But anyway, some of the features which the Pandavas' second Mahal were there, the same features were that kind of features were installed in newest version of South City Mall. Especially the immediate attractive feature would be the diagonal TV screen along the escalator. So right now it is not working, so I could not able to show you the feature. It's a very impressive feature. You don't have to need a big normal size TV. It diagonally attached escalator sides wall, you can create a same appeal like the normal front TV. So that's it. Stay tuned for more. So I was using the escalators to rise up the building. So this view is from while rising from ground floor to first floor. It's a normal view. Seating arrangements have been done for the fashion show. So then I was taking, after getting capturing the video for the first floor, I was taking the second floor, and from first floor you can see it's a very normal view. Big TV screens there, focusing in and out during the upward movement. Then gradually, as I reach the second,
yeah, the entire view is very much appealing, attractive. Same old structure, but this time a little bit lighting and structural improvement in the form of stage show has created a lot of audience for South City Mall. So in South City Mall there is INOX also, cinema hall. So they have initiated the IMAX features also. IMAX Insignia. I had the experience of Insignia. It's very nice. You can get a cozy recliner seat, and they can order on your wish, and they will create a customized food. So very appealing in nature. Very appealing in nature. But so far they could not able to initiate a laser kind of holographic display. So it's very innovative. Inox box office. Same features. We are moving to the food court. The food court is like at the top of the South City Mall, wherein you can eat, and I think this is the second penultimate floor before food court. So that is another floor. So let's move up and see what are the other floors available and what kind of stores are there. So from here you can see the entire. They have, I think, probably there will be a fashion show. Extended platform protruding out of the normal platform. This floor is the penultimate floor before food court. So you can see the view from here. Very much scary as well as very much scary, as I am not finding any other words to describe this kind of feeling. But yes, very much scary, and what else? What word should I use? Thrilling. So very much scary and thrilling. So we are about to reach the top floor of South City. So top floor is a food court. So let's see. It's moving very fast now. Very scary. It's very scary. You can see the aisle. Before crossing this aisle, from here it is very scary. It's very. So we need to cross this. It's not a hanging bridge. It's a bridge connecting two sides of the South City Mall from top, like the Forum Atmosphere building in Science City in Kolkata. So this is the same feature. So this is a lot of the drinks. So in Forum Atmosphere, what would happen is that there will be a bridge connecting two tall buildings with the help of I think a same glass kind of. It is very scary. It is very scary. Oh shit, it's very scary. You feel like it's very scary. Oh shit. Oh shit. Very scary. Previously that bridge was there, that glass kind of in older version of South City Mall, only that glass bridge was there, and in the newer version this top floor glass bridge has been constructed, and it is very scary, like a China's bridge. It's very scary, threatening, thrilling, everything, whatever word you want to express your terrifying moments. Very nice, but as well as exciting in nature. So this is South City's food court. So you can see there are a lot of eateries here. So you can eat, and at the same time, those who want to hang out, you can come here and eat. But meaning every food you will get from Zomato or Swiggy by online ordering. This KFC burger place, I had these moments earlier. Every damn food items will be here, but it is only for hangout place. You come with your family, with your friends and so on. Otherwise, you can have it through Zomato. I think this is the exit as far as I know. This is 10 meter. Probably I will now exit I will not eat, as I have already told. So you have seen South City Mall is very appealing, very nice. You can hang out with your friends, family, and it's a very nice place during weekends. Today is Friday, so I had the opportunity of seeing the technological advancement in Apple Store in South City Mall, and thereafter a lot of things have seen. So I have to go to that LB and then take my electric cycle to home. So that's all. If you feel like giving a thumbs up to this video, please do so, and please stay tuned for more updates and videos in my YouTube channel, Ronnie's Entertainment. That's all, and have a nice night. Bye.